Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Pinnacle development in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This development will see the building of 4 towers that are each 28 stories. And at 28 stories, these will be the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica and the tallest buildings in the Caribbean. So this is definitely the largest development going on in Jamaica right now. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you think this is the largest development? 4 towers at 28 floors each? And if not, let us know which other construction site you think is bigger than this one in terms of buildings, because I'm sure though Montego Bay Perimeter Road project might be a big project as well, but in terms of buildings, I think this is the largest building construction going on now. We're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they're building here. But at 28 floors, these towers will be the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica and the 4 tallest buildings in the Caribbean. So Jamaica will boast the tallest buildings in the Caribbean very soon. The Pinnacle will feature 423 residential apartments, 15 exclusive villas, a marina and a private club, along with a range of luxurious amenities. Designed by Jamaican architect Isaiah Madden, the development blends artistic vision with practical elegance, ensuring each architectural element enhances the living experience. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, enthusiastic about the groundbreaking project for the Caribbean, emphasized its appeal to millennials seeking a unique offering. This development allows us to meet the demands of millennials who desire a different kind of product, Bartlett stated. He further explained, "We're moving to a new level with this 28-story building, which integrates a business model that balances short and long-term residency, a model not yet seen anywhere else in the Caribbean." LCH Development CEO assured that environmental preservation is a key priority in the Pinnacle's development. "We are dedicated to harmonizing this project with nature. It's not just about building structures, it's about honoring and protecting the natural beauty that drew us here," he remarked. Prime Minister Andrew Holness hailed the Pinnacle, a US $350 million luxury residential resort, as a transformative project that will elevate real estate development in Jamaica's tourism sector. Unveiled in Montego Bay, this ambitious venture is set to be the Caribbean's tallest building and will be constructed in Reading, St. James over the next 4 years. Mr. Holness emphasized the project's significance. "What has been presented today clearly sets a new standard for quality, aptly named the Pinnacle," he remarked. The Prime Minister commended LCH Developments for their innovative approach to real estate. "This isn't just about breaking ground, it's about doing something groundbreaking for Jamaica," Holness said. He added that the development will enhance Jamaica's standing in the lifestyle segment of the hospitality industry. It will diversify our tourism offering, moving us into new areas and making a lasting impact. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think of this development. We will give you updates on this project every 2 weeks. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.